Designing websites on WordPress is becoming very complicated on WordPress, especially if you are a beginner. Now, hear me out, because what I'm going to describe here is probably something that probably you have been thinking about or you haven't even considered yet. So if you want to design websites, you seriously have to think of which platform you want to go with. Do you want to go with Bricks Builder? Do you want to go with Divi? Do you want to go with Elementor? And there are reasons why you may want to choose those, or there are also some benefits. But here's the thing. The moment you start moving a step further and start deciding to design websites which are functional, you really have to start making even more decisions after that. So let me bring this into context. So when it comes to, say, Divi, they did a very good job of creating a marketplace and also adding the AI and building a fantastic builder. But pretty much that's it. That's really about building websites. But if you want to take it a step further and make it more functional, that means that they have to have integrations which are very easy to integrate with Divi, and also these plugin companies have to make this possible. Elementor has done a fantastic job of that, which is brilliant. Bricks Builder, I haven't really used it for me to really make a comment on it, but I'm pretty sure they're working towards that as well. But here's the thing. When Astra, now Astra is a theme, one of the most popular themes out there, very lightweight, full of features, and it's probably one of the most popular out there. They were really stuck with just a theme. But you know what they've done recently? They, behind the scenes, were building Spectra. Now this is something that works on top of the theme, which makes it function like a page builder. In fact, I did a video a few days ago. You can check it out. I'll link it in the video description below. So Spectra now becomes kind of like the page builder for Gutenberg. And this now gets even more exciting. But at this stage, still, these guys are still behind, because Divi has Divi AI. Elementor has Elementor AI. So what happens now is they produced ZipWP. But not only is it an AI platform now that works with Spectra, and now Spectra is even more crazy because it has all these templates, it has pretty much quite a lot going on for it. So I've been using it a few days now, and it is very exciting to use. But what ZipWP is bringing now is the ability to build websites fast, spin off websites super fast. But not only that, that's the platform for the AI for Gutenberg, if you're using Spectra and Astra. So this becomes now a little ecosystem that is now able to compete with Divi or even Elementor, because now it's a complete package. It's no longer just a theme as in Astra. It's no longer just Spectra as this library of templates, but this is now working together, and ZipWP now is now there to add the web design side of things plus the AI. So if you're a design agency now, here's the thing. What are you going to go with? Are you going to go with Gutenberg? Because now we have ZipWP. You can build your websites fast, share them, download them, add them onto a server. Or are you going to go with Divi, which you have to get your own hosting platform first, host your websites there, design it, and it has a marketplace with the AI as well. Or Elementor, which provides a similar functions. So this is now how ZipWP, Astra, and Spectra have managed to now fight against the page builders. But it doesn't end there, because they have taken this a step further, because they've realized that when it comes to websites, they have to have a function at the end of the day. So let me show you what I mean. So when we take a look at these websites that we build today, it doesn't just end with a design. It also comes with functionality. So here's what they've done. They've created a suite of products. And this is, again, kind of like an ecosystem. So there's shortcuts. If you want to create products that you can sell on WordPress without installing WooCommerce, this is a very lightweight solution. But, But not only that, there's also short triggers. So short triggers now is an automation platform which allows all your other plugins to talk together. So now it's getting very exciting. You also have Show Members. So if you want to build a membership website, Show Members is right there. You want to build, let's say, sales funnels, Cutflows is there. You want to have a video player that you can use for selling your courses and so on, Presto Player is there. So these products are owned by one company. And I guarantee you, if you were to purchase Show Members, Show Triggers, Shortcut, you're going to need these three if you want to sell and automate. So now this is covering your membership websites, you're selling, you're also automating the whole process. So it's very, very powerful. And this is where I see these companies going. They're really creating these mini ecosystems around their products whereby you can't just go with one. Like for example, if I were to choose Show Members, I'm definitely going to need the triggers because I want to automate other areas of my website with other plugins. Now, there's also another company, and this company also did a fantastic job of creating, again, the ecosystem. So we have WP Managed Ninja, and these guys, they have a totally different way of looking at things. They started off with Fluent Forms. I'm not sure what their first product was, but these are the few ones I've just chosen. There's more than these that I've just chosen here on this list. So Fluent Forms, I guess they saw that, okay, it's just a form builder. I mean, how far can you take us? So they introduced Fluent CRM. Now, this is an email automation system, but what makes it unique is it connects with WooCommerce, Lifter LMS, and all these LMSs out there. But not only that, they also recently brought out Fluent Booking. But if you just buy Fluent Booking, you're doing it an injustice, because if you want to automate your emails after someone has booked and do some follow-ups, you're going to need Fluent CRM. But not only that, if you purchase just Fluent Booking, you're likely going to need Fluent Forms, because this is where if you use Fluent Booking and Fluent Forms, you're going to build even more advanced forms which are very custom to how you want your bookings to look like. So Fluent Booking and Fluent Forms, definitely these have to work together. But then there's one part missing, the emails. Are you going to choose another email marketing platform? No, you might as well go with Fluent CRM. So again, you're still in that ecosystem. There's also Fluent SMTP. Now this is a free product, and I commend them for doing this because it takes a lot of developers time and so on and so forth to create products for free. But again, these are just showing their expertise to say, look, we know what we're doing. We're very good developers. So it's been out there, it's working, no problems. Now with all this stuff together, you have Fluent Booking, you're probably going to need some support. You have Fluent Support, and guess what? It also integrates really well with Fluent CRM. So do you see where I'm going with this? So if someone leaves a query on Fluent Support, you can add tags, you can add automation behind the scenes. So you are automating the whole business with this suite. So this is getting very exciting. So what does this mean for plugin companies that are just creating one product and that's it? I think the future of them is going to be very complicated unless they create something which is solid, which then pretty much adds that functionality that it needs. But when you purchase this suite of products, pretty much you don't need anything else. And the support is coming from the one company. So do you see now when I say it's quite confusing for an average user to go in and start building functional websites that either generate leads or generate sales? You are going to need some sort of a stack that comes with it. Now, recently I was having a look at WP funnels. Automatically, and I think they saw an opportunity here where they wanted to make sure that the funnels also work with an email automation system. So they have their own called MailMint, but they've also made a very good integration with Fluent CRM. So I think these single plugins out there, they also need to have an opening where they work really well with these ecosystems that I've just spoken about. And these are not the only ones, by the way. There are also other plugins out there that I haven't really grouped to then show you that it's an ecosystem. But this, in my opinion, is the way forward. And this is how these plugin companies are definitely going to be successful in the future. So when you take a look at all these products right here, they work well with Gutenberg, and they're also doing a great job to try and integrate this with Divi and Elementor. Anyway, guys, I'm curious to hear your thoughts about what I've discussed today, the future of WordPress and plugins. Do you think that it's really getting complicated and you really have to choose an ecosystem for you to survive? So anyway, leave your comments in the comments box below. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.